just where it was needed. Gleamed in black as night.
Good morning, you guys, and welcome to another awesome day in Thailand. We woke up this morning, and another huge benefit of the little hotel that we're staying at is free continental breakfast downstairs, which is awesome. So now we are gonna head out, we're gonna rent scooters, and we're hoping to check out a waterfall or two.
Your face remained the same. The sorrows will be in our door.
We have rented scooters and we're off. We're heading to a little waterfall.
Trees will bloom and ice will melt. Your face remained.
You guys, we have made it to our first viewpoint in a couple days. The rain is gone, which is so nice. And right behind me, there is a waterfall. Woohoo!
Trees will bloom and ice will melt. Your face remained the same. The trees will bloom and ice.
Just a little cave with a few bats. Pretty cool.
Your face remained the same.
So guys, we found this little pond, and it's really close to the waterfall, and there's little bags of fish food, so we decided to buy one. It's by donation, and it turns out there's huge fish in this pond that you gotta feed. It is so cool. These are the cool random experiences that you cannot find in a guidebook. We finished the first waterfall site, and then we jumped on our scooters, and now we've cruised over to our next site. So let's check it out. And we found waterfall number 2.
I get around despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get.
That was really a great way to cool down. Today here in Khao Lak, it's about 33 degrees Celsius, so it is smoking hot. Riding the scooters is great because it keeps you cool, but being able to go in that waterfall there, that was awesome.
The lake has turned to a golden sun.
Wow, that spider was huge. But now we're just at the restaurant, just at the bottom of the waterfall. We're getting some pad Thai. Monica's getting a different Thai dish. Other people are wowing at the spider too. That thing is massive. So guys, we just ate at a little kind of food vendor slash restaurant. It was delicious. We were just walking up the street and we saw a bunch of tables. They were full, so we said, let's do it. So it was so good. It was delicious. We loved it. And honestly, we're gonna come back. So we just found really cheap mojitos, and we might be here for a while.
This is one of the best mojitos I have ever had.
So we ended up having probably too many mojitos. As you can see, Monica is a lemon back there. She's a mojito lemon. Tomorrow we're gonna have some more crazy fun adventures, so tune in for that tomorrow. See you guys later.
This love is unfair.